Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east on Windsor Road in St. Ann's Bay towards Oakland Drive. Turning onto Oakland Drive. Oakland Drive ends. Just ahead is the North Coast Highway, and we are turning back towards Windsor Road. We are back on Oakland Drive. We are back at Windsor Road, and going right on Windsor Road will take you west onto Main Street and towards St. Ann's Bay Town Centre. Going left will take you east towards Drax Hall, Mammee Bay and the Ocho Rios. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.